Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can animate the objects in Google Slides. First of all, we have to pick an object we want to animate. Let's go to second slide, and as you can see, there's this text and an image. What we want to do, we want to press on our left click on the text, and we want those blue borders to come out, and also we want to go to animate, which is the last option on far right in our options bar. We press animate, and as you can see, there's already one, and animate number 2, but we just duplicated it. So what do we want to animate? Let's go with this YouTube title. We want to animate, if we want to zoom in, zoom out, there's a lot of options for us. Let's say fade out. Now you see, how it's faded out. Now also the same goes for wolf. We want to appear or disappear, fly in top. You can change the speed here. On click, like this. Oops, and there's our wolf. That's about it. It's very easy to add animations. So on, it's like with this one. As you can see, you can animate it inside. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.